Hello, this is my Uniden SDS100. I just received it in the mail a while ago, and we're going to see what's inside the box. It came signature only, so let's get in here and see what we got. It's taped really well, and we're going to go inside and check it out. The package is not shrink wrapped in plastic, so they've already been in here, I think. The sign indicating that it was opened. Okay, we got material that I won't be reading right now. Charger, obviously the battery, an antenna, power cable, lanyard. It's like a SMA type to a BNC connector. The belt clip and the radio. Radio has a screen protector. I'm going to take that off for right now. Side, you got USB 1, USB 2. The charge one has a mini USB and this micro USB maybe for programming. Let's go ahead and get this antenna on here. The antenna has a gasket on it on the bottom where it mounts, so it can I guess have water resistance rating. The battery compartment on the bottom, you have to make this tab come out. Okay. And it pops up. There is your memory card in there. Oh, okay. Let's go ahead and put in the battery pack. Close it. This number. It's got a headphone jack for the top. Radio feels pretty rugged. It's asking me for daylight savings time. Today's 8:07. Set the hour. Believe the time. Let's put 38 just for right now. Alright, there you go. I'm going to go ahead and try to do some programming right quick, and we'll see how it goes. Thank you for watching.